To a primetime news follow-up now, the government today announced a medium to long-term plan to address the water woes in western Jamaica. This, as a worsening drought forces residents and businesses to pay thousands for trucked water. Amoy Harriet tells us more.
Since we highlighted the water woes in Westmoreland and Hanover, very little has changed, except for a more regular supply of water trucked to affected communities by the National Water Commission. But the demand is so high that private water trucking companies continue to cash in. The government is also facing increasing pressure to act. Addressing Parliament on Tuesday, this response from Prime Minister Andrew Holness.
I hear the people of Negril. I hear their complaints. But I don't only want to come here and say, boy, I'm sorry, I hear it and I understand. Because you can have sweet mouth and sweet talk and cannot address the real issues that affect the people.
He announced that Cabinet approved a design and build contract with Vinci Construction grant projects for 2 projects. This, he says, is part of the Western Water Resilience Program, which will benefit citizens of St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland. He explained that the first projects to be implemented as a part of this program will be the installation of 2 main transmission pipelines, including the pipelines from Martha Brae Water Treatment Plant, Trelawney to Terminal Reservoir, St. James, the Great River Water Treatment Plant, St. James to Negril, Westmoreland. Now, according to Mr. Holness, the pre-engineering phase has commenced at a cost of 32 million Jamaican dollars. This will last 6 weeks.
During that period, the National Water Commission, in collaboration with the Ministry of Finance, will complete the necessary technical and administrative work to facilitate the deployment of US $160 million, that is Jamaican $24.8 billion, for the installation and replacement of these 2 pipelines. That is more than what we are spending on the municipal corridor component of the SPARK program.
Mr. Holness also revealed that the upgrades to the transmission mains from Martha Brae and the Great River Treatment Plant will commence this year under emergency procurement.
One party promised this, but they didn't say how it was going to be funded. Because the politics must evolve to the point that promises are meaningless unless you can say how you're going to deliver it.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.